So you were telling me about this movie?
Right, it starts with a massive tragedy. It turns the dad into a bit of a helicopter parent. Totally justified, by the way, because his only child was kidnapped from school by a masked man. The child almost dies inside a small tunnel, and he's even eventually given away as a gift.
The dad must have been devastated. Who does he go to for help?
Well, witnesses, but they only want to play charades. Oh, and also 3 cannibals.
Cannibals?
But they're trying unsuccessfully to reform.
Did you say unsuccessfully?
There's also a really old surfer that takes him to another country, a pilot that gives him a free flight, and a friend of his who's very... What was I saying?
I'm not too sure. So give me an overview.
Well, there's a murder, kidnapping, electrocution, and dentistry.
Dentistry?
Everything you'd want from a children's movie.
Wait, children's movie?
Oh, wait, the friend's forgetful. Short-term memory loss. It's perfect. I just wish I could remember the name.